In today's video, you will learn how to make a fennel and lemon tea to improve digestion, period cramps, and respiratory issues. People call it by different names, like anise, aniseed weed, or sweet fennel, but this tea is known and used worldwide. Did you know it? Fennel tea has some amazing benefits. Many believe that it helps with weight loss, while others use it to sleep better. Do you know any other benefits of fennel tea? Aids against free radicals. Since it has antioxidant properties, this tea is efficient against free radicals. It prevents diseases like cancer and strokes, helps the respiratory system. Drinking fennel tea can help with coughs, asthma, and bronchitis, besides being used by people who have colds or flu, as it helps improve immunity, controls blood pressure. With good amounts of potassium, fennel controls blood pressure. Besides, this tea has a role in preventing strokes. It is a great natural medicine for hypertensive people, as it avoids heart attacks and heart diseases in general. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Reduces gas and aids in digestion. Tea made with fennel leaves or seeds helps with cramps, both intestinal and menstrual, and flatulence. Because it contains essential oils that create digestive enzymes, fennel is a big ally of digestion. It is also helpful to control stomach acidity and a great natural medicine against constipation. Lessens bad breath. Since it improves digestion, fennel tea also contributes to significantly improve bad breath caused by gastrointestinal issues. Besides, gargling the tea prevents not only bad breath, but also sore throat. Helps relax and sleep better. Many people drink a cup of fennel tea an hour before going to bed. According to natural medicine, fennel helps the muscles relax, being an excellent natural treatment against insomnia. Helps with weight loss. Did you know that fennel tea can be an ally in your weight loss? This is thanks to all the fiber it contains. It helps with satiety and in the digestive system reduces bloating. Also, since it is a diuretic, fennel helps release more water and toxins from the body. These benefits are all incredible, aren't they? Now that you know all the benefits of fennel, what about learning how to make the tea? Write down the ingredients. 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, half a lemon. How to make it? Put the water in a pot and take it to heat. Add the fennel seeds and let the water boil for 2 minutes. Next, strain the infusion, squeeze the lemon, wait 5 minutes, then drink. Drink this tea every day 20 minutes after your meals, but drink it warm or hot, never cold. If you want to, add some high-quality organic honey to sweeten it. To have more health and quality of life, add this tea to your diet. Now tell us, did you know this combination of fennel tea and lemon? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.